Alright, so I'm bringing in first update that is actually kind of documented about my AV plane. Currently is a stage where I'm testing the motor controller, the motor itself with a rig, with batteries and every part that I need to run it. I hooked up my motor, which I have mounted directly onto the shaft propeller that I cut myself, like to the length I needed, to the power level I wanted, close enough. Then I'm connected to a MOSFET, which is my main motor controller device. There's a resistor there to pull the gate to the drain, so to the source, so it'll be low all the time. And let's apply PWM signal or just logical signal, which is generated by this microcontroller, which is Arduino. And I connected this voltmeter directly to the motor. Yes, it looks awesome. So I can see how much power the motor gets, how much voltage the motor gets. And I connected this voltmeter as amp meter in series with batteries to see how much amperage I'm drawing. And I'm using 16 batteries, 2 sets of 8 and 8 in parallel to generate my power needs, to provide me power needs. Right now they're just connected, and I added this capacitor bank to the batteries to provide more constant power supply, because amperage is very large on the engine. And I put this capacitor bank onto the motor itself to provide it more linear power band. I upgraded this battery holder with this kind of wires jumping between to upgrade its power capacity, but it works well. I didn't upgrade this yet, but that's coming up soon, this month too. And let's power her up. The program I use and modify slightly is simple program that takes analog in, then it converts it to PWM and shoots it out. And I'm using Arduino. Yep. So let's test her out. At about 2% throttle position, the motor spins now. It's drawing 1.1 amps, and there is 1.5 volts on the motor. Yep. Now let's power up to about 5%. This is 5% right now, throttle position. It's drawing 2 amps and 2 volts, which is 8 watts. Let's power up to about 7. Let's make it 10 already. Yeah. You can hear the weird noise because, well, it's a weird noise. This motor is not made for this application at all. When the propeller has thrust or just spins, it pushes itself forward, pulls itself forward. If the motor stays at constant position, it pushes the rotor out and it kind of jams itself. I tried to secure it, but so far failed. Once it power up a lot, it just falls off. Alright. This is at 10%. So far it looks like voltage and amperage is linear. It's at 10% power, 10% power throttle, and it's 2.5 amps, and it's 2.5 volts here too, which is amazingly awesome. The batteries are still nice, not hot. The cable is getting hot. The MOSFET is warmish because probably low power. So let's power up a little bit more. This is 20%. Alright, it's drawing like 2.6 volts. It's drawing 2.9. Yeah, it's actually 2 3/4 volts and 2.9 amps. Alright, that's at 20%. Actually, oddly enough, exact 20. Alright, we're going to 25 now. 25%, 3.15 amps. Still almost 3 volts now.